Let me tell you about this amazing portable nebulizer. This lightweight nebulizer is simple to use and can be benefited by anyone, including children and animals. It's similar to a diffuser because of how it creates vapor, and despite its size, it can produce a good amount of cool fine mist, especially compared to those noisy bulky ones. Another great thing is how quiet it is, which is ideal when you have others sleeping nearby that you don't want to disturb, especially those kiddos. Now to use it, you can either plug it in using USB or insert two AA batteries and take it on the go. It comes with two masks, one for adults, another for children, and a mouthpiece for you to inhale that way too. It also includes a pouch for you to store extra batteries and nebulizer solution. That way you can keep everything together. Now when using it, there are two different modes to choose from based on your preference, and you can just simply change them by clicking the button. And when it comes to cleaning, it's even easier. Just set it on cleaning mode and let it clean itself. Now don't wait and get yourself this portable nebulizer today.